I'm come from my show to walk I'm a dog, bro. You know, so that I'll know. I'll be a laugh.
Yeah, people, welcome back to another episode and posted. Hope you guys doing good. I hope you guys doing great. Now, I come back with the next topic and base of the drama with Walk and Talk, Jaiifraii, speaking about Valiant and Armani. Now, Walk and Talk go on live and respond to about the situation that took place with Jaiifraii on the broadcast. So if you guys didn't see the clip, check it out.
I'm come from my show to walk I'm a dog, bro. You know, so that I'll know. I'll be a laugh. So like I said, before the show even start, you're gonna post the show and the people are gonna see the show. Before the show even start, you start gimmicks me out. I never like it, I pass. I look for you, I call me, I look for you. You see it? Bro, me a dog got hard for you. Me a man kick off all the jungle for you. When the whole world of style has batty boy, me a say dog, my friend a batty boy, I be a girl me see him with. Ray, tay, man never left from around here and style for disrespect you. No, me go disrespect you. And no money me disrespect you. I have a company me, I'm going to play it for a while ago and say, man, the dog good man, man, the dog I'll chat to the 1 o'clock. For 1 hour, man, the dog cool. Oh. I just the gimmicks thing, the gimmicks thing, brother, that get me hurt, me dog. I mean, I said, dog, why do you feel like him for gimmicks me? But me upset about that. Me no want nobody add to nothing on a chat style, me bro. Me just vex about the whole thing.
Yeah, people, so based on where Walk and Talk I say, you see me? Man could have defend him. Instead of the man a defend him, man a defend the two man them. Same way, you see me? Even when the man them style him as B man and used to spread all type of thing on the internet when him come out and I say yo, him interested in the body wash and them thing there. You see me? Him was the one who was a rowan and take. You see me? But you know, it is safe to say that both of them is not good at the moment. You see me? So I see Armani went on IG live to clear the air about Walk and Talk situation. So if you guys still didn't see the clip with Armani on live speaking about the situation, take a look.
My phone fam. Man say, me too free dub. I say, walk it, guess what? Link me, bro. You see me? Me no link him back, bro. Me no link him back because I'm busy, bro. Bro, ask much freedom I do, much thing. You see it? I'm busy, bro. I'm genuinely busy, dog. You see it? So now, what else happened? The dog say, yo man, make a video for me, you see me? Make the video and say, link up Walk and Talk for you dub them, bro. Mind you know, bro. The man say, I might get some dub for me, yeah. Bro, me never see Walkie message me, bro. Me never see Dog message me. God leave it, bro. Then I studio start talking, bro. The week before that, bro, the man them now letting the dog a taboo. Me say, yo, bro, there's video proof. Me say, yo, let in Walkie and Talk. What I do? Let in the legend. Me and the man good, bro. Like I'm a dog, bro. You see me? Like I Walk and Talk, brother. And I like see me and the dog never good, bro. Me and the man good, bro. So there, bro. No, me get a somebody send me dog. What am I do? Something bo interview him and Jay and I talk about art. And the dog say, I break breeze him and say, say alright, this. But me you know why I say that, bro, because I never sing too free dub for dog, brother. My man gone for an interview, boy. Bro, we're not even talking about that. New music. But yeah, bro, that man just weird. Man, I made him, bro. Man, you must spread false narrative, bro. Nobody never did that. If you know, you don't know what go on, like. Man, look back in the video. Bro, walk it in your laugh, bro. Walk it in your laugh, bad man. Walk it in your laugh. When you go and listen to walk it, bro. Walk it in your laugh, bro.
No, after the dad come and clear the air, Valiant joined the live and speak on his side what take place with him and Walk and Talk and thing. You see me? You guys can check it out one time.
Yo, God.
Yo.
Me always, me is a man, me not like address thing, because you don't know some dark already, and me not understand sense. You see me? So, BS everybody has to fuck with me do. First thing first, the dog style me already publicly. I never answer because you don't know me not join certain things. From where there from I start defend myself or defend people where they around me. It's either me a chat too much or this and that and that and that and that. Bro God, why can't I no people don't really know what him doing, but him know what him do. Remember him coming in the studio and say him want a video for post out for say apology. Me no look on him and tell him so right now. Him just say make the video. Use your phone or my phone and we make the video and give him the video where he want. And he posts up and then we as when they say want to take it down, don't it? That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we never we don't know Quest get it, bro. Him see
Yeah.
on Quest,
So,
bro.
yeah.
And
Yeah.
even
Whatever
even
that,
then him never
bro.
bet just coming out see that
He must
bro.
say
Really do me.
more video and them little thing. The first thing first, bro, God, me leave a business where people have to say. Walk and talk have some waste man style. And I will dog see me, but you must just know. You see me, I say, you must have some waste man style. You can't parrot man, a man a style behind the back and in publicly. You see me, I say, yeah, bro, God. Yeah, dog. So you can't there so explain yourself and everything everybody needs to know, bro. God. Make some people diss them a while. So one girl has me sassy so I'ma move like girl. That she can't feed me, bro. Bro, don't sit down and explain nothing
Bro,
to nobody. Make
man, I
everybody
try
explain,
damn,
bro.
bro, man, I try damage me repeat dog.
Nobody not damage your reputation, brother.
Don't
Stop
know
dip
what
on
it
live
is,
and
dog.
explain a bag of thing, brother. Remember end that
Don't
day,
know,
dog.
dog.
Who know, who you all of your fans them are dip on the live, rate you and all of them things, bro. God, stop sit down and explain one bag of fuck, brother. Yeah, brother, voice, make the people them hear some new song, brother. Music you deal with, brother. We and walk and talk good. What you there for explain about walk and talk for? Blood,
Bro?
if me want to say walk and talk a pussy, my pussy. Who can stop me from say that? Whoever want to say a pussy style or valley or waste man, me not give a fuck. Bro, God, him have some waste man style and move from that and play some music, dog. And music we do. I want to dog walk and talk is a journalist or whatever. Him a go chat and say him stay. Him name walk and fucking talk. Yeah, bro, God, play some music. More hear the new song where you got drop back dog. And that me dip on the live and drive go home for here. Play the live, man. Me a jump off.
Alright.
Duns.
Yo, Valiant, the easy there. So yeah, you can hear it in the video, people. Where Valiant that say, yo, walk and talk, come like he's a journalist. You hear what him name, walk and talk. But anyways, people, spread your opinion in the comment section and let me guys know what you think about this situation. You see me? So anyways, that is it for today's video. If you guys like the content, don't forget to like, share, and comment. The most importantly, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
And the man talk like an hour ago. I'ma say, bro, just come on the media, tell people them say they are trip, cause it's not a misunderstanding. You know what I say? We never have no misunderstanding. You know exactly what you do. You know exactly why you did do it. You get me? And you come on the media, bro. Right? No, I don't even want to cry, because you know me bad, you know my body, you know that. You see me? And you forward and you diss my dog. You diss me. You diss me, bro. And you promise my friend them shot. You know where you get gun from, but you promise my friend them shot. And now you're gonna do a live. And the first live you're gonna do is, yo, look out for the Let's Be Real podcast. That's crazy. I've begged you 1,000,001 times. Start your own shit. I even give you a camera. People give you editors, video people, but you gotta fuel yourself with hate. You gotta fuel yourself with hate now. Just for come style me. Now all of a sudden you're ready for do a show. Like all along me I said, dog, you can make your own money. You can do everything what you want. Now you're ready for, and then you gotta do a play on words of my show. That not crazy to you, bro? That not crazy to you? Let's Be Real podcast. Like, come on, dog. Nah, bro, this shit really hurt my dog. You see me? This really hurt my dog. And all of this is because of ego.
You see me? All of this is because of ego. I'm a hope. Because honestly, I'm gonna say me have the proof. Me never diss someone. I've never dissed that guy before. Never, ever, ever, ever dissed that guy before, dog. And then you know, I come take where how much in bad mind bumbo was a road after say about me about how rent house and Benz and the little Benz I fool them and them something there, dog. Bro, that shit hurt me, dog. I'm not gonna lie, dog. That shit hurt me, bro. You see me? That shit hurt me. You fuck. And then I'ma call you, dog, a joke, dog. And me ain't never have no joke, bro. Me ain't never have no joke. So here what I gotta do. I'm gonna post an unedited, raw podcast. Raw podcast. No touch from the memory card to the YouTube. And uno make your own judge. Some people just don't live. Some people just don't like. Some people just don't like people I tell the truth, bro.